So in the last lecture, we made our routing work. We added routes and we gave Angular a place to load our currently active routes. But one issue we have is right now we can only navigate around by manually typing the URL in the address bar here. Not super convenient. And while it is important to be able to load a route directly from the address bar, it would also be nice to have some working links here so that our navigation can work easily. So let's add some let's add some link to our application. And if I go to our app component.html file, here we have represented the links, the home, the study material, and the student tab. Now you can see that here we have already defined an anchor tag, ahref. So you might be thinking that if we provide the address here itself, then it start working, right? Well, you are correct. If I replace the hash with the slash here for the home, and for study material slash languages, and for students slash users, it should work. Let's go to the app, and if I click on study material, I got the study material component loaded, and if I go on to students, I got the student material loaded. But you can see one thing, whenever I'm navigating from one tab to the other and I'm clicking on the other tab, you can see that the refresh button, just look at the refresh button. The page is reloading again and again. And this is not cool, I believe. So, let's say if a user has entered some information into the home tab, let's say I have added the course available status and I have not saved the information, just an example, and I navigated by mistake, I navigated to the study material tab. So what will it does? It will just my current state will be lost because my application is refreshing on every click event of the tab. This is not what we need in Angular. So this is the only reason why we do not use anchor tags over here. But we have one special directive here in routing. The router link directive is used with Angular for the routes, so that we can navigate to one route to the other while without refreshing the page. So let's make the modification in the application. Just remove this, and for that I'll just use the directive. This is router link equals to slash. The same case goes for the others. Here I'll just I'll just forgot. Alright, so this is it. So we have made our changes in the required application. We have used the router link directive, and we just need to check whether it's working or not. So we'll just save the changes and move on to the other application, or my application. And here, let's say if I go on to main page, so this is the main page. I click on study material, I got the information, students. So our routing is working as expected, and you can see my page is not refreshing. So we have achieved what Angular has told us by using the router link directive, and we are not refreshing the page at all.